when we do our HVAC, we try to run as many vents as possible and make it sized properly to each room. So if you look, every single closet, every single bedroom has its own vent and it's sized properly. Some are 6-inch, some are 8-inch, according to the size. And if you look, this one actually has a return in this bedroom. Why does it have a return? Because this bedroom has an 8-inch line in, so it needs to have that return out of it. And again, it's all about these little things that really set your house apart from anybody else's. So if you're building a home, watch out for those things.